Today I'm whipping up a show-stopping bourbon pecan pie. It's a simple yet impressive dessert with toasted pecans, a rich buttery filling, and a bold kick of bourbon. Let's get started. Let's dive right into the filling, which all comes together in one bowl. Super easy. I'm combining granulated sugar, brown sugar, cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. Give that a quick whisk to mix everything together. Now I'm adding in some eggs, dark corn syrup, light works too if that's what you have, some melted butter, a splash of good bourbon. I recommend using one you enjoy drinking, and vanilla extract. Whisk until everything is smooth and well combined. Now let's get those pecans in there. I toasted mine beforehand, which I definitely recommend because it really brings out that pecan flavor. Stir them in until they're nicely coated with the filling. Then pour that delicious filling into a deep dish pie crust. I'm going with the store-bought crust to keep things simple, but if homemade is more your style, go for it. I placed my pie on a pie drip catcher to catch any drips. You can use a baking sheet too. And I'm going to use a pie crust protector so the edges don't get too brown too quickly. Into the oven it goes at 350 for about 60 to 70 minutes. You want that filling to be set, so be patient and let the pie cool completely once it's out of the oven. And there you have it, a bourbon pecan pie with all the gooey nuttiness you'd expect, plus a warm kick of bourbon. Perfect for the holidays or any special occasion. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give the video a like. The full recipe is linked in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.